वैसे बात तो सही है. Women should not be asking for alimony and maintenance. I mean, if you think about it, for a woman who goes through, for anyone who goes through an abusive relationship, no amount of money that the abuser can pay would compensate for the emotional toll that it takes on their life, for the days of their life that they lose in an abusive relationship. I mean, even if you are as wealthy as the Ambanis and you are asked to give away generations of wealth to someone that you have abused for years in an intimate relationship, I don't think even that amount of money would compensate for the detriments, for the worsening mental health of the person abused in the relationship. तो पैसे तो तुम लगा नहीं सकते इस पे कि कितना अब्यूज किया, उसका कैसे कंपेंसेट करोगे. There is no fixed amount of money anyway. And besides, it may be argued that it is the abuser who is more in need of therapy, ताकि किसी और की जिंदगी खराब ना हो आगे जाके, or at least he is able to improve his own life for his own self, if not for anyone else. Also, I think I would rather pay someone a monthly sum to just stay out of my life and never be near any of my near and dear ones if I already know that the person is abusive. I don't think I would be okay with giving him the psychological upper hand of handing out financial support, in any way thinking that I would be dependent on him after the years of abuse. So yeah, personally, if I come to think of it, I think I agree with this stand that women should stop asking for alimony and maintenance, really. Alternately, I propose that women should start giving out alimony and maintenance so that women who have been abused for years in intimate relationships can actually move on without even being financially dependent on their abuser, on their once upon a time abuser, and the community can support the women better. तो हाँ, मतलब बात तो सही है, लड़कियों को alimony maintenance की मांग नहीं करना चाहिए. Alternately, women should start giving out alimony and maintenance. Really, we should change up the laws.